So, what's up, Mahesh?
I'm fine. What about you?
Yeah, I'm all right. So, what were you doing all day?
I was sleeping all the day because it's raining since last night, so I can't go outside. That is why I was at home throughout the day.
Okay, fine, all right, Mahesh. So, this is
Yeah,
your eighth session, right? This is our second session together.
yeah.
Fine. So long. How is it? How's the journey with Clubbingo?
Journey has been nice. Yeah, I'm improving and learning.
That's lovely. All right.
Yeah.
Did you check the document out for the day?
Pardon?
Did you check the document out for the day?
Yeah, I have had a glance.
You had a glance. Fine.
Yeah,
Topic is
celebrities.
yes. Who is your favorite celebrity, Mahesh?
SRK and Akshay Kumar are my favorite.
Why?
Because of the level of their acting. They can work in any kind of genre. Like it can be romance, it can be thriller, it can be comedy. So and they act well.
Right.
Yeah,
They're good at it. Yeah.
yeah. As we know that Shah Rukh Khan is king of Bollywood.
That's so true. Yeah. How old is Shah Rukh Khan, Mahesh?
I think it's 50 plus. Don't know about the
He's 50
exact day.
plus. I think he's about 60 for sure.
Yeah, can be.
Yeah, he could be.
But
Right.
he still act like a boy, 20,
Yeah, he
30
looks
or something.
very handsome as well.
Handsome. Yeah.
That's the thing. Right, Mahesh. So, when you like a celebrity, do you care about their personal life, Mahesh?
No, I don't care about the personal life because we like them as a celebrity, not as a person. So it
Yes,
doesn't matter
exactly.
that what they do in their real life. Yeah, they
That's so true.
should be honest and good in your real life too.
Right, right, right. So, what is it worth it being a celebrity? You know, you have to give up your privacy. Yeah, so is it worth it?
Yeah, what I personally believe is that everything has its merits and demerits. So being a celebrity has many advantages. Like you are loved by people. You get respect wherever you go. You are like, hey, let's take a selfie and surrounded by people every time. But its
Yes.
demerits is that when you go outside, you can't enjoy privately. Like when you go, you can't alone go outside. You need
You can't go
bodyguards.
alone outside.
Yeah, and you need bodyguards, and you need to plan before you going anywhere.
You need to
Just like
plan before you go anywhere.
go anywhere. Just like does normal people that if I'm feeling to have a tea in a chai sutta bar or any tapari, so I can go out and chill tea with my friends and no one
Yeah.
is there to disturb me. But if I'm a celebrity, there would be many people and I won't be enjoy.
There would be many people.
There would be many people and I won't be able to enjoy that kind of tea because I'm surrounded by people, so there is no privacy over there.
That's true, isn't it? I will be
So
surrounded by people, so there won't be any privacy for me. Right.
yeah.
So, what are the things that celebrities can do but we cannot do, Mahesh?
Yeah, celebrity are financially strong. They can go anywhere, like they can go world tour, they can purchase whatever they want. They don't need to the money is just for them like a normal thing, just like not middle class people, that money matters a lot to us, but for them they are just going and promoting a short a product, so they will get a lot of money that any middle class people will not
Yeah.
earn in their whole lifetime.
Right.
So this is the thing. Apart from that, they are famous, they are known by everyone. uh,
Yeah.
so that is that.
Okay, yeah. That means they are financially better settled than a normal person. Yeah. And they are
Exactly.
getting paid in big amounts and they have the capability to buy anything what
Cable.
they want.
Yeah, exactly.
What are the things that we can do but celebrities cannot do?
So as I said earlier, that we can we are we have freedom, not financially, but we are able to go anywhere we want, and it's not depend on time. Like if I'm feeling
It
now,
does not. It does not depend.
it doesn't depend on anything. Like if I'm feeling to go out right now, so I can go without any permission, without any planning, without any bodyguards. But if it comes to celebrity, they can't do that.
When it
Yeah,
comes to celebrities, yeah, they
they
cannot do
can't do that.
that. And also, I think they have to sacrifice their privacy, because if they want
Yeah,
to take their girlfriend out or boyfriend out,
yeah,
or someone,
media.
people will be like, oh, who is she? Who is this?
Yeah,
Who
who
is
is
that?
she,
Right?
and what are
Yeah,
you doing with her and him?
yeah,
and
yeah.
and everywhere media will be everywhere, even just like Taimur. So if Taimur is sneezing, so media will say, oh, today Taimur is sneezing. So that is the thing.
Exactly.
So
Right.
they don't have privacy like us.
And they don't have privacy as well. And I think we Indian people, common people, are giving, so not us, I'm saying just common people, they're giving so much attention to them,
Yeah,
unwanted attention we are
I
giving.
know. Yeah,
See, the
exactly.
one news I saw on, I think, some Hindi channel, okay, some good news channel,
Okay.
the title was Taimur Khan looks like his brother. No, no, the new baby looks like Taimur Khan.
Oh,
Oh, heading. Obviously, they would look alike because
they
they're
would do.
siblings. They're
Yeah,
siblings, right?
there
They're
there
from
is no
one
need to.
family.
Yeah, there is no need to be this kind of headlines. It's normal.
Yeah, it's
There is nothing shocking in that, or
exactly. What's shocking about that?
yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
stupid. It's
Uh,
really ridiculous.
yeah, just like any celebrities, like she has visited Goa, so people are posting. So what about that? Many people are going there.
Yeah, that's the thing. What
Yeah,
about it? That's the
I,
question.
yeah. If it's a movie and they are doing something in movie, that is okay. But what about
Hmm.
their personal life? If they're doing anything, we don't need to give attention to them.
Exactly. That's the deal. Right. So, whom should we give the real attention to, according to you, Mahesh?
According to me, it would be soldiers.
Soldiers, yes. How can we give attention to them? In what way
We
can we?
in what way there sometime incident happened that celebrate the soldier are not given in a seat in a bus, but they are serving for us, so they deserve respect. Though there are only few people who don't do that, but most of the people uh, uh, respect them. Just like
Yes,
whenever the soldiers that vehicle going on the road, so everybody is like, hey, hi, Jai Hind, and saluting them. I have
yeah,
seen those kind of scene also.
yes, yes. That's the thing. Because they're sacrificing, they're doing something for us.
In the forest, yeah, they are
Hmm.
putting their lives on the line for us.
Exactly. Good one.
Yeah.
Right. So, what about social work and celebrities?
Yeah, celebrity are supposed to do social work because they can do, and people get inspiration from them. If they are doing something good, people get affected, and if there are something bad, they are promoting something bad product like liquor
Mm.
and any gutka, tobacco, cigarette.
Right.
They shouldn't do that. Like Amitabh Bachchan don't promote things like that.
Yeah.
So this thing should be taken care by them, that they are not promoting any product or thing that is not helpful and even harmful for normal people.
Yeah. So Amitabh Bachchan does not do that. Yeah. Does not
Yeah,
promote. He
doesn't.
does not. Yeah.
So that is the
Yeah.
thing they shouldn't do.
Even something like Coca-Cola or Thumbs Up, even that also people should not promote it, because it's
Yeah.
so harmful for you.
Exactly.
It is as bad as tobacco or alcohol. It is as bad as that.
Yeah, yeah. So
Right.
true.
That's the thing. So, what about overnight celebrities? Have you heard about overnight celebrities?
Yeah, yeah, exactly. This happen mostly on social media. Like
Yeah.
someone went viral overnight. In the
Yeah.
night, he or she was nothing, but in the morning she has become famous, and
Yes.
everyone is putting her or his status and want to follow her. And that's
Yeah, that's the
many
thing.
just like Dinchak Puja.
Where is she now? Nobody wants to know
No,
about her. Yeah,
just
she just came and she just went like that.
flesh in the pan.
Yeah, Good one, good one. Yeah, that's the
Uh,
thing. It's just see that kind of a fame. It's so short-lived. Yeah,
yeah,
it doesn't last that
and
long.
they don't really have talent. They just because of they will get viral. That's the only
They got
thing.
why because they got viral.
Yeah, that's the only thing. And if
Hmm.
someone is talented and then he or she got viral, then it makes sense for them. Otherwise, it doesn't make
If someone is talented and then if she gets viral,
gets viral,
if a video gets viral, or if a video goes viral, or
goes
if
viral.
she goes viral,
It makes sense then for that them.
that's actually true. What about the farmers? I think the attention that we give on social media
Yeah,
influencers, we should give it on farmers. So they
yeah,
feel like a
exactly.
celebrity. Yeah?
Yeah, farmers should be given that respect rather than celebrities.
Yes.
Celebrities should not be said heroes. They should be called entertainers.
Yeah, they're just entertainers, nothing else. They're not
That's
heroes
just
actually.
heroes should be like soldiers, farmers.
Yeah.
Those are serving country and those are really
They
contributing to the
are.
country.
Or those who are
Those who are really contributing to people. So
contributing
they
for the.
should be called hero. They should be just and the celebrities those are in Bollywood should just call hero, not hero, just entertainers.
Entertain. They should be called only entertainers. That's
Entertain.
true. What
Yeah.
about the people going crazy for celebrities? Like, they be, if a movie comes out, they be pouring ghee on the poster, milk on the
Yeah.
poster. How
I don't think
stupid is that?
I don't think that this is a good thing. This is a truly
Mm-hmm.
utter stupid thing.
Utter stupidity, exactly. Right. So it's just the people, they have to change. The people got to
They-
change.
Yeah, that need to be changed.
There need to be a change, or they need to change.
Yeah, they need to change.
That's true. What else about celebrities? Do you hate anyone, any celebrity that you don't really like?
Yes,
Anybody that
I hate celebrities, those who are like trying to impose some wrong, just like Hindu Dharma. They are trying to just making movie. These are controversial. They are
Mhm.
trying to portray the things that they are not really in that way. Just like
Especially
Padma.
religion is something very,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
sensitive.
Sensitive issue in a country, so they shouldn't do that. They shouldn't be interfere with the shastras and some with history, just
Yeah.
for making people laugh and entertain people.
So they
That is
shouldn't
not the way.
be interfering. They shouldn't be because you're using be there. So for the most part, we use ing, continuous form. They shouldn't be interfering.
They shouldn't be interfering with the shastras and the real history, just for making money and just for making a movie big.
That's true, isn't it?
That's not the way to do that. You
I
can
do
write
agree.
any story and can make a fiction story, but when you are if you are making movie on a religion or on a history incident, then the fact should be the exact.
Yeah, it should be the exact thing, and it shouldn't be something cooked up just for the
Just for
sake of.
yeah, exactly.
Yeah, that's the thing, for them to watch. That's the deal. Right. What else about celebrities? Have you ever seen any celebrity in your real life? Anybody?
No, not yet. Not a
Not
very
yet.
big celebrity or something, uh, not very famous, but when it's come to famous like working in a Bollywood, so I have not met or seen any celebrity in
Anybody?
real life.
Okay. Yeah. What's a big deal, isn't it? At the end of the day, they're
I
also.
don't I
Yeah.
don't consider me to see them.
No, no. Again. That sentence again. Can you make it better?
Yeah, I don't want to be like I'm seeing the people. So what does it make
Yeah.
sense to
I don't want it to be a big thing. I don't want myself to be interested about it or
interested in that?
hyped about it
Yeah, they
because I
are
don't care.
celebrity. Yeah, they are celebrity, and if I like, I'm watching him or her on in movie, and that's all.
That's it. That's as good as it goes. And if I see someone, yeah, I'll be happy. Yeah, good, good. You look
Yeah,
good. That's it. That's as
yeah,
far as it is.
nothing wrong with that. Yeah,
Yes, that's
but
it. Right.
one person, if I would like to meet or if I get chance to, it would be MS Dhoni. That's all.
Oh, he's very nice. Yeah,
Yeah,
he's such a kind-hearted
and
guy. I
yeah,
like him.
I will meet him for sure one day.
Yeah, one day. Yes,
Yeah.
that's the thing. Right, Mahesh. So, as a feedback, what I would like to give you is that, see, here and there some slips, but I like the fact that you're incorporating some phrasal verbs and some phrases. I like it. And light idioms and all that, if you're wanting to improve. That's
Yeah.
good. I want you to include more phrases like these into your speech. You sound way better when you do that. Okay? And here and there, I felt like you are sometimes quite fast. Yeah, sometimes you're going a little too fast at times. I want you to slow down a little bit. At times, not always. At times, you tend to just go too fast and you get a bit confused about what you're saying.
Yeah.
Work on that. Slow down a little bit. Use more phrases. It was a good session. You made here and there some slips, some tense slips, but it's
Yeah.
okay. Work on it. Okay. You got any doubts?
No, not a very specific.
Nothing else. Fine.
Yeah.
So, how are you practicing, Mahesh?
Yeah, I'm practicing with clapping or tutors and speaking to myself,
Okay.
watching videos,
Yeah.
learning vocabularies, reading books and all.
Good enough. Good enough.
Yeah.
Right. I think our session is about to end, Mahesh. It was
Yeah.
lovely talking to you. Have a good night. Take care. Bye bye. Stay safe.
Same here. Good night.
Take care.
Take care.
Bye-bye.